but they're using machine learning to deconstruct the peptides that these microbes contain. They have successfully identified over 1 million potential peptide compounds from those machine learning algorithms. From those, they took 100. They took 100 of the most promising, like reversed engineered peptides, and they were tested against 11 bacterial strains that cause disease in humans. Right? So they took 1 million compounds. They identified 1 million They took microbes from all over the world. They identified 1 million compounds. From those 1 million, they took 100 of the most promising, tested them against 11 peptides. Of the 100 that they selected, the most promising peptides, 63 of them were found to be successful in blocking the growth of bacteria. 63. So they're doing great. I mean, that sounds like a fantastic result. So they have potentially identified 63 new compounds that could be used for antibiotic development, which obviously is a positive thing. And that's only testing 100, the best 100 out of the 1 million compounds that they already identified. So this is research that could keep going for a while.